Hi, in this video, I am going to show you how you can add new settings to our extension, Google Address Toolkit for Zoho CRM. After installing the extension, it is already set up for leads, contacts, and accounts. But for other modules and custom modules, you need to set it up manually. So let's go to Marketplace. Then click on Installed. Find the extension, Google Address Toolkit for Zoho CRM, and click on Settings. Over here, you can see we already have settings for contacts, leads, and accounts. Now I am going to click on Module Settings and add a new setting for the Deals module. First, click on Country. You can select up to 5 countries. When you search for addresses, it will only show addresses from those selected countries. I am going to select the United States. Now select a place. I am going to provide a random address. And that's it. Now you have to map all the fields where you want to save the address details. I am going to name this address block Billing Address. For address 1, I am mapping it to Billing Street. For city, I am mapping it to Billing City. For state, I am mapping it to Billing State. For zip, I am mapping it to Billing Zip. Keep in mind that these fields should be single line fields, not number fields. Otherwise, the address data may not populate properly. For country, I am mapping it to Billing Country. For formatted address, I am mapping it to Property Full Street. Now we have latitude and longitude. These two fields are very important for showing the records in the map view. If you do not have fields for saving latitude and longitude, you should create them beforehand. Now I am selecting Billing Latitude for the latitude field, and I am selecting Billing Longitude for the longitude field. You can also add multiple address blocks. I have another address block for shipping, so I am going to name this one Shipping Address. Now I will map Shipping Street, Shipping City, Shipping State, and Shipping Zip. Then I will map Shipping Country and Shipping Full Address. After that, I will map Shipping Latitude and Shipping Longitude. Now click Save. And that's it. This is how you add new settings to our extension, Google Address Toolkit for Zoho CRM.